Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about lesson 1. Name of the story is The Mice That Ate Iron. So, let us start the story. The story is about Maniram, who was actually a merchant, and his friend Lakshman. So, let us explain the story. Maniram was a merchant. His most precious possession was a pair of iron scales. आयरन स्केल्स मीन्स तराजू आयरन स्केल्स जो लोहे का बना हुआ तराजू है. सो मनीराम हैड अ प्रेशियस पोजीशन विच वाज अ पेयर ऑफ आयरन स्केल्स. What Maniram was thinking that I have to go out of town. I am afraid someone will steal these weighing scales while I am away. As Maniram was a merchant, he has iron skills, and once he decided to go off the town, so he thought if the skills will be there, maybe someone will steal it. So he thought to keep it with Lakshman, who was his friend. So he requested his friend Lakshman to keep them safe for him. And what Maniram said to Lakshman, see, this is all I have left in the world. Please, will you look after my skills? Please, will you look after my skills? क्या आप मेरे स्किल्स का देखभाल करेंगे? मनीराम, what Lakshman said? Yes, of course. Then Maniram went off on his journey with an easy mind. With an easy mind means with a relaxed mood, without any tension. But he had a nasty surprise when he returned. But when Maniram returned, he had a certain kind of surprises. Maniram was, what was the surprise? What do you mean? You no longer have my skills? What happened? What was the surprise that when he asked to his friend Lakshman, where is my skills? So Lakshman said that I tried to save my skills, but some mice gobbled them up. His friend Lakshman cheated on him and said that his skills was eaten by the mice. Maniram was no fool. He guessed that Lakshman was lying. He would have to trick Lakshman into admitting the truth. So now Maniram realized that Lakshman was telling him the lies. He was not telling him truth. So Maniram made a plan. And what did Maniram say to Lakshman? Never mind, my friend. It is just my bad luck. And what Maniram thought? Thank God he has accepted my excuse. Lakshman thought that Maniram believed him. Lakshman had not thought it would be so easy to fool Maniram. When Maniram easily accepted it, Lakshman was very happy because Lakshman didn't think that it would be so easy to fool Maniram or to make him realize the truth. When Maniram asked for a favor, he was happy to agree. Then Maniram said, I want to bathe in the river before I go home. Can your son help carry my things? While going back to home, Maniram requested Lakshman that before going I just want to go to the river and have bath. Will you please send your son to me to help to carry my things? Then Lakshman certainly agreed and instructed his son to go and help Maniram. Maniram said, thank you, I'll be soon back. After his bath, Maniram took the boy home and brought him inside according to his plan. Okay. Then he went back to Lakshman's house and began to weep loudly. Lakshman was confused and asked, "What has happened? Where is my son? What has happened? Where is my son?" Then, while weeping, rote, Maniram said, "Oh Lakshman, while I was bathing in the river, a hawk swooped down and carried your son away." Hawk is a kind of bird like eagle, or better to say like a kite. Here kite means not पतंग, here kite means चील, एक छोटा प्रजाति के ईगल, हक। तो मनीराम क्या बोले कि मैं जब नहा रहा था, अचानक एक चील या ईगल नीचे उतर आए और तुम्हारे बेटे को साथ लेके चले गए। लक्ष्मण was beside himself with anger. That means he was very much angry. And he shouted at Maniram, hearing the din. Here din means hearing the quarrel, hearing the shouting. Many villagers began to gather around. When Lakshman realized that Maniram was cheating him, Maniram was not telling him the truth, so he started shouting, and many of the villagers came together and gathered around them. And Lakshman started shouting, "Liar, cheat, I don't believe you." But Maniram said, "I tried to save your son, but the hawk flew away." Then what did Lakshman do? Furious Lakshman dragged Maniram to Sarpanch. The villagers also followed. Then he arranged for a meeting in front of Sarpanch, and he took Maniram. Lakshman took Maniram also there and requested to Sarpanch ji, Maniram has kidnapped my son. He must be punished. Tell him to bring back my son at once. The Sarpanch gazed at Maniram. "What have you done with the boy, Maniram?" Sarpanch asked to Maniram, what has he done? The Sarpanch did not believe Maniram. What Maniram replied to Sarpanch? "See, he was sitting on the river bank while I took a bath. Suddenly a hawk swooped down and carried the boy." Same story he repeated to the Sarpanch, but Sarpanch didn't believe on Maniram. "Surely you do not expect me to believe this nonsense." Sarpanch said that I don't believe you. "He is a liar, your honor. He must be punished." Lakshman also said to Sarpanch ji, "He was lying. Please give him punishment." All the villagers gathered around Maniram and asked him to tell the truth. Maniram's reply left everyone except Lakshman mystified. Here mystified means confused. Okay. His mice, then what Maniram replied to in front of that meeting? "His mice ate up my iron scales and I didn't raise any hue and cry. But when a hawk carries away his son, why does he say I lie?" Maniram said that when he said that the iron scales which I had given to him was eaten by the mice, I didn't make any noise, shout or any complaining. Then why, when a hawk carries away his son, why does he say that I am lying? The Sarpanch realized at once that there was more to the story than what Lakshman had said. He spoke kindly to Maniram. Maniram से पूछा, instead of talking in riddles, here riddles means पहली बुझाना. ओके मनीराम, पहली बुझाने के बजाय why don't you tell me what happened? Maniram told to the Sarpanch and the assembled villagers how his friend tried to cheat him. and also said, if mice could eat my iron scales, then why can't a hawk fly away with a boy? उसने क्या बोला, जब चूहा ने मेरा लोहे का तराजू खा सकता है, कुतर सकता है, तो फिर एक चील क्यों बच्चे को उड़ा नहीं ले जा पाएगा? Then the serpents spoke sternly to Lakshman. What did the serpent say? Lakshman, you cheated Maniram and stole his scales. Return them to him immediately. When Lakshman agreed to it, Maniram told Lakshman that your son is safe and sound in my house. I will bring him right away. I just wanted to teach you a lesson. Okay? Then Lakshman realized what he had done, and so he asked for Maniram's forgiveness and said, please forgive me, I have been greedy, I have learnt my lesson. Okay, so this is it, the story. Once again you just go through it and then listen to the video and then read the whole story again on your book. If there will be any more problem,